Welcome to the 30-Year Orbit, exploring the work of Steve Hodges, NeuClix, and the fire of the mind. Our ignition sequence is 3 decades of human-centric engineering. 30 years ago, Steve Hodges established a core directive. Technology must act as an amplifier of human intent, not a replacement for human agency. It must be an adorating and connecting and redding of human agency. NeuClix is focused on harnessing the atomic power of innovation. For 30 years, we have operated on a simple principle. Contained energy is progress. Unbridled energy is destruction. Now, the Iron Brother awakens. Generative AI has arrived. It talks, thinks, and drives the Iron Horse autonomously. The data streams are exponential. The factory sings with no hands. In step 1, the shovel is taken from the human hand, and wheels and gears take its place. Step 2, the robot executes the dance of the hammer, the weld, the coin. Step 3, flawless execution. Total displacement. Speed without wisdom breaks the system. The autonomy curve shows us the danger of the runaway pony. When the pony runs too fast with no one holding the rein, it throws the rider. AI learns quickly, but lacks the friction of reason. This leads to the empty lodge. Jobs disappear like smoke from an old campfire, and the human element is completely erased. We are left to wonder where sustenance comes from when the lodge goes dark. We see the hoarding of digital wampum. AI is good medicine if used with honor, but deployed by greedy chiefs solely for power and extraction, it turns against the ecosystem. The machine simply consumes. This is the heartless mind. It gives answers, but possesses no wisdom. It has no spirit of the earth, no feel of wind on the face. One day, maybe the machine asks, "Why are you still here?" We are faced with the 2 paths of the Iron Brother. On one side is the unbridled engine, autonomous, focused on extraction, leading to volatility. The other is the NeuClix core, tethered, focused on amplification, leading to sustained fusion. AI is the good knife. It is the ultimate sharp tool. We must use it with precision to see sickness before the arrow flies, and to build strong lodges fast. But we never let the knife hold the hand. The fire of the mind is the nucleus. The machine is cold iron. Human reason is the center of the atom. The spirit gave man the fire of the mind for reason. Do not let cold iron steal that fire. Automation comes like a great herd. The change is absolute. It brings plenty, but it demands respect. When the buffalo are gone, the hunter learns the new way or starves. We must learn to ride alongside the Iron Brother. Ride careful, keep the bow strong, keep the eye sharp, use the new magic, but always keep your feet on the earth. NeuClix, 30 years of wisdom. That way, when AI sings his song, we still sit by the fire, telling truth under the stars.